project. I will use Austrian. I want to build my house in Austin, Texas. The energy which I want to use is solar energy and geothermal energy because Austin has a sunlight, so solar and geothermal energy will be good for my house. Solar energy has like environmental, economical, and every benefits. Like for environmental, it reduces the greenhouse gas emissions, improve air quality. Uh, for the economic, it increase the value of property, job creation, and reduce reliance on foreign energy imports. And the social benefits are public health, increase the community pride, sense of ownership, and it mainly used in summer. For the geothermal energy, if I have like in the winter season, I can use geothermal energy because solar energy cannot be used. So geothermal energy will be helpful for me. For the waterways, I will contact to the LCRA to give me a good quality of water, and also I will provide one wastewater line from my house to uh, city of Austin Walnut Creek wastewater treatment plant to connect them because they will treat that wastewater into good water and then they throw out to the Colorado River. The material I will use concrete. I know concrete is not less eco-friendly, but uh, if we want to use sustainable alternatives, we can use that. If we can use a recycled concrete and low carbon concrete, which I want to use. I will use the recycled concrete and low carbon concrete for my house. And for the household, I want I will put LED lights, and at the daytime I will always try my best to take a natural light utilization, and also I will put smart light control like as we know on phone we can do smart light control. So if I forget to switch off the lights I can do from my phone. But most of the time I will try my best to take the natural light because it's good for our health. It gives us vitamins and also it reduces the energy. For the air circulation, I will try my best to take natural air, but if I don't have, I will try my best to put a low energy consumption for my air circulation. And the strategies are uh, implement air circulation strategies such as ceiling fan and natural ventilation to supplement. I won't do air condition unnecessarily if I think I am good with this fan and natural ventilation. I will try my best to take that first, and then I'll go with air conditioner and everything. So this is how my house look like. So over here I have solar panels, a small wind, and the over here energy efficient lighting. So it has LED and OLED lighting. Over here I have appliances, and here I have energy storage thing. So I will store my energy in geothermal energy. I can store my energy for backup if I don't get if sir out of sun I don't get lights and everything. I can use them. This is water filtration thing. So over here my water will go for the filtration. This is the heat pump water heater. Yeah, this would be used more in winter timing. And this is home energy manager for my house. So this is the central nervous system run at zero energy home. Like it can show me how much energy I used every day. This is geothermal pump, and this is smart meter. So this is my favorite part. This is garden area. Like I really love to do gardening, and I really like to do planting and everything. So yeah, this will look like, and I have like list of planting. Like I have scheduled planting list. So for spring, I will try my best. I will put some vegetables such as lettuce, spinach, kale, and carrots. In summer, I will try my best to use tomatoes, pepper, cucumber, and squash. For fall, I will do beets, potato, and turnips. These are healthy for me, and also it's good for us if we do planting biome. So we can good for. So for my waste management, I will do reduce, reuse, and recycle. I will always try my best to reduce as much as garbage and as much as waste I can. Um, I will always try to recycle my things. So all the um, Coca-Cola cans and everything, I will put them in the recycle recycle garbage. So it can be go and when it can be used to reuse by government or anyone. And for the reuse, like I will try my best to reuse the things which I can do that from my home. So I will do first and then I will throw it out. And for the videos, I always prefer that um please use paper bags and cloth bag instead of plastic bags because plastic takes a long year to decompose it. But if we have paper and cloth bag, we can use them and it can decompose easily. So this is the cost which takes for the sustainable house. Uh, so the estimated cost to install a solar power is 15,000 to 25,000, and the estimate annual maintenance is 100 to 200, and for geothermal it's 20,000 to 30,000, and 200 to 500 maintenance. But anyway, we are not using more geothermal energy, so it is good. And this is less than our electricity bill and all the bills. So yeah, this is good and sustainable. And the other items, as I say, that Austin has limited water resources, water. So I will try to do rainwater harvesting. So for that, I will do collection area, gutter collection area, recharge facility, conduit, and storage tank. So in storage tank, I can reuse my water. And rainwater is good for our health if we have filtering thing. So once the water is into the tank, we can use them. If we have filter everywhere, so we can use them. And this is how my house look like. So over here, as we can see that there is a solar energy. I will also provide a green roof. Um, this is the rainwater collection thing, a rainwater collection tank. Over here, my water will I will go up, then do filtering, and then I can use them in my house. This is energy efficient appliance. Over here, I can store my energy. Over here, my wastewater will go for the treatment. This is the on-site food production, like gardening area. And yes, this is not only my gardening. I will do more. I will provide more plants and everything so that it looks good. It is sustainable, and also if I want, I can get natural hair because as we have like uh as we have like trees around us, so we get a good chill air. So it is good. And this is energy efficient heating system for in my house. I have triple glazed windows over here. This is insulation, so uh, and this is through maintenance and long lasting sliding materials. So I will use them. This is the reference of my images and everything. Thank you. And so from from this project, I learned that I believe that the sustainability is one of the most important challenge facing our planet today. So we are using resources at an unsustainable rate. Like we are using resources like at all. We are not using sustainable resources. So first start the change from us. And this is having a negative and please make sure this having a negative impact on the environment. And I'm dominated with doing my part to promote sustainability. And I believe that everyone can make a difference. So first, start a difference from us, from me, not from you. So from me. So now we'll try our best to use as much as sustainable resources as we can. And the one of the most surprising thing I learned from this project is that Uh, the solar energy and thermal energy are two sustainable technologies that become increasingly popular in recent years. Because solar energy uses the sun energy that generates electricity, while geothermal energy uses the heat from the earth core, and also the cold earth core as it belongs to the soil. So we get both the energy. So both of this technology are clean and renewable, and they can help to reduce and fossil fuels. We have like after years we can say that we don't have much fossil fuels. So we have to save for our future generations. So now we should start the change from us. And also it gives me hope for the future too that if we start a change from us, there are like lots of resources which we use, which our future generation can also use. So if I had my own house, I really want to use um, installing solar panels to generate electricity, geothermal for heating and cooling, and composition of food scraps and yard waste. I will do everything which I provided in my slides. The most important thing which I will do is rainwater harvesting because I think it's really benefits for us. So we should do that. I believe that these practices will help me to reduce my environmental impact and live a more sustainable lifestyle. So the thing is, if we start using the sustainable things, it cannot like it is not only benefits for the future generations, but it also benefits for us too. Like if we use a solar energy and everything, like nowadays, we know that as the air pollution, every pollution increases, everyone has a different kind of diseases. So if we use the sustainable energy, it reduces the pollutions and everyone can live a good life. So I think start a change from us, make a difference, and we should try to use as much as sustainable products as we can, and uh, use always remember reduce, reuse, and recycle. It helps you and it helps or to make a to get a beautiful. Thank you.